Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a beautiful magazine layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Alright, so let's take a quick look at the magazine layout pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. As you can notice, it's really modern, but also bold and clean at the same time. And if you want to lay your hands on it, you can go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And over here, you can notice all of the layout packs that come with Divi for free. So you're free to combine different layouts from different layout packs to create your website, or you can scroll down until you come across the magazine layout pack. And if you click on it, you will see all of the layouts that come with this layout pack, and these are available in Divi. You can view the live demo by clicking on the blue button. And over here, you can take a look at the different layouts that come with this layout pack without actually installing them on your website first. So say, for instance, you really like this landing page, you want to use it, you can go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. And over here, you have three options, so you can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page, and we're going to browse through our layouts. And over here, we have all of the layout packs again, so go ahead and scroll down until you come across the magazine layout pack. Select your layout of choice, and click on the green button that says use this layout. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content. And from that point on, you can start modifying everything and make your page ready to go live. So of course, you can modify all of the written content that comes with certain modules, but you can also play around with Divi's built-in options to create a lot of changes throughout your entire design in just a few clicks. So say, for instance, you want to change the font that's being used throughout this layout. You can go to the heading text settings over here, right-click on heading font, click on find and replace. And you can replace this font within this page with another font of your choice. And then also make sure that you tick off the box that says replace all font values within every option type not limited to heading font. And this will just make sure that all of the modules are covered, and then click on replace. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to change throughout your entire layout, and you can basically do that for each and every design option, for each and every element on your page, and create stunning web design with Divi. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.